Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have something super exciting to show you guys. It is a project share, but it is a 3D project share and I am so proud of it, guys. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys. So I was inspired by Scrap the World's off the page collaboration she's been doing, where basically you just you take like some of your SVG files, your 3D projects, and you create them, because sometimes we buy stuff and then we don't actually create it. So her goal is to like use her SVG's files and create stuff with the ones that she purchased. Now, I will say that I did not have this file before. I saw her video and I went out and bought it. But it turned out so cute and I had to create it. So let me show you guys what I made. Okay guys, so I got a file from svgcuts. It was a bundle, like her Carnival kind of bundle file. It was $6, I believe, so I'll have it linked down below in case you guys want to get it as well. But here is what I created. Are you guys seeing this? This is what I made. I think it's so stinking cute. I love how it turned out. I see one of my jemmies just fell off. I was doing this up until 3 a.m. last night. I messed up. I made these little things right here too long at first, and so it wasn't spinning. I have glue everywhere because I had already stuck these on. Then realized I made it too long, so then I'm cutting it with wire cutters, and I just stuck a dowel to like the end of the dowel, so they're not even like in through the hole anymore. So I made a whole mess out of this, but I ended up, you know, it still works and it's pretty, and these little things spin. How adorable! They all spin. I think it's the cutest thing ever, guys. And I just love, you guys see how it's a little crooked? I think I still have some that are longer, or I don't know what I did, but I did something. So yeah, I had to glue this piece here because if this goes too forward, it won't spin. These kind of things get in the way then. So, but okay, let's go into detail. And I'll show you guys another angle in a second as well once I go over all this. But I still have little like stringy stuff here from hot glue. Used a lot of hot glue in this project, guys, let me tell you, because I messed up. Okay, so I had created like the base, and as Tamika did, she did like an inside offset. So then I added in like that gold, you guys could see, which was like a gold offset on top of everything here. But then I was like, you know what? I want to add pearls to the whole entire thing. So I sat here gluing these pearls to every single little piece on this Ferris wheel. I think it turned out gorgeous, but it was very time consuming, and when I started I was like, why did I decide to do this? I was only like a part of the way done, not even halfway, and I was regretting it already, but I'm loving the final look, so I don't regret it so much anymore. It was a lot though, guys, a lot, and some of the time when I glued it down, it would pick back up because I didn't glue it down fast enough with the hot glue, because it dries super duper fast. So it was a little bit of a challenge, but I do love how the final turned out with the little pearls. I think it's so pretty, and I just used like a string of pearls that I got from AC Moore when they were closing down stores and locations, because they went out of business. Yeah, so I added that. These little pieces here, these each have little enamel dots. These I got from Tuesday Morning, and I'm so happy that they kind of matched the pink paper that I ended up using on this, like the darker pink for the outside, because I think that matched really well. And I didn't want like a different color. I wanted it to stay pink. So I'm so happy I found those that were like a very similar color. I used, I forgot to mention that I used the Bloom collection. I'm trying to use up a whole paper pad of Bloom, so this is all from the Bloom collection. This back here, that little like checkered print, is also from the Bloom collection. These little ones, these don't have any Bloom collection on it. This is just like a teal paper. And these little things, I also did what Tamika did, and she did like an internal offset to get the whole thing. Otherwise, you only get the piece for the bottom. You don't get like the whole thing. I think it looks really pretty with the whole thing. So I did 2 times internal offset. So I got like the darker teal color that I cut out, and then I did the gold. And then in the file, there are these little triangles, and I cut those out in like a lighter blue. And I also layered the inside with that same lighter blue, kind of tying everything together. I thought it just went well with this. Oh, so pretty, guys. I'm obsessed with like how this turned out. Oh my gosh. And it just stands up. This is the bottom. I think it's so pretty, guys. Oh. Yeah, and then here I actually used the Dolce collection. So here I used Dolce, and I was actually going to use the Dolce paper when I decided to create this, but then I realized, and I spent like all day looking for it, but then I realized that the Dolce paper is double-sided, and I hate using double-sided paper when I know I'm going to be gluing half of it down, and it's not going to be very, you know, useful if you don't see the other side. Like I think it's such a waste. For me personally, I know it always isn't, but for me, I feel like it is. So I ended up not using the Dolce collection, but I did print this Dreams Taste Like Cotton Candy thing. I have the ephemera, but it was too big. So I printed it from the computer, sized it down, turned one, like split it up, turned one of these into a little banner. Then I cut around some gold and like stuck it down on some gold paper, cut around it to do like an offset of that cotton candy part. And I think that just turned out so cute. So it says Dreams Taste Like Cotton Candy. And then this little thing I got, I think this is from April. When I ordered something from her, she included a little cotton candy in there, and I don't know how to make these, so thank you so much, because it looks great with my project here, and it goes with my theme, and it's so cute. And I added these little gemmies down here. Oh my gosh, guys, honestly, like the best project, 3D project I've ever made. I think it's so stinking cute. Okay, I want to show you guys how it spins from the side view. So let me show you guys that as it's like standing on my desk. Alright guys, don't mind the background. My desk is a mess in my filming space, but this is what it looks like. Look at this. You guys can see it better as it's like standing here now. Look how pretty. So let's do a little spinning of this and show you guys how stinking cute. Isn't this just so adorable? Aren't you like in love? Don't you want to like go out and buy that? Well, not out, but go and get that SVG file. It's so cute. I love it so much. I'm going to have everything linked down below. And svgcuts has a tutorial on how to make this, so I could link that down below as well. It's the tutorial that I followed. But yeah, when I got to the dowel part, because I resized mine a whole lot. Hers was humongous. I just want this as decoration in my craft room. So hers is humongous. So I resized it a lot, but she does have a tutorial on how to put it together. So yeah. Alright guys, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little project share of my Ferris wheel. Oh, so cute. Alright guys, I'm gonna go take some photos, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye!